Question 985.
Wow.
Question 985. Would you rather live the rest of your life with silent but uncontrollable gas, or loud, uncontrollable sneeze? Spelt, I missed the end of it. Sneezes.
Oh, God. Well, I know the answer to this one. Go ahead, you guys.
Well, do you think there's a right answer?
I'm going to say gas, because I spend most of my time alone anyways.
Huh?
But I like to talk to people online, so I wouldn't want to be sneezing all the time.
No.
I sneezing all the time would probably be worse, I think. Just the amount of physical.
Yep. I have
Neither
very
of them-
violent sneezes.
Neither of them are appealing options, obviously, but
I'm gonna go with the gas because I'm assuming that the no sneezing means that I'd get rid of my allergies, and that would be so amazing. Oh my Jesus!
Never Again says, I'll stay as is, you figure out which it is. Wahahaha. Richard says, I already have loud and uncontrollable both. Are you making fun of me?
Richard feels targeted.
I said, I get horrific. You should have seen me before the show. I could not stop sneezing. And being on a ball when you sneeze and you have violent sneezes is not easy.
I have customers get mad when I sneeze because I don't have a mute button working from home, unfortunately.
Do you not do very cute little sneezes?
I do, but people still get mad whenever I sneeze.
Well, I feel like if you sneeze over and over again, eventually you're going to pee your pants.
Eventually? Every time, usually.
So,
Brainbug says sneezes,
wow, you should
I
get that
suppose.
checked, honey. That's not right.
Antjer says, is the gas particularly smelly? Is the sneezing non-stop, or just whenever you sneeze, it's uncontrollably loud? Right, the gas is very smelly. And the sneezing is, let's go with once an hour. Approximately.
Oh.
that's not uncontrollable though.
No, it is in the sense that you can't stop it. It's just going to come on.
If I've got to sneeze, if I sneeze once an hour?
At least.
That's not a fucking problem. That's not uncontrollable sneezing to me.
All right, if it's once an hour, I'm going with screaming.
Although you could sleep through a fart, but if you sneeze every hour, it's going to wake you up every fucking hour.
You can
You're going to be exhausted in like 2 days. I'm going to stick with farts.
You can condition.
Yeah, I'll stick with the fart.
You can condition yourself to napping.
Ricardo says, so nose farts or butt sneezes? Antjer says sneezing then. Spooky says bottom burps. Never Again says you can't control the sneeze anyway. Go on, Jen.
I'm on this medication called amiodarone, and it's for my heart.
Yes,
There's nothing good about this medication other than it keeps me alive. One of the side effects, besides your flesh falling off in chunks when you're in the sun, is I'm not kidding about that one. Is increased flatulence. To the point where they almost took my girl card away. But I was able to train myself to pretty much only have to do it when I'm in the bathroom peeing, because that's when the sphincter, I just can't control it down there anymore. So I ended up farting there. And sneezing, this is the glory of getting old. I've developed this thing where once in a while I get into these sneezing jags and I will go 5, 10, 15, 20 sneezes in a row over a very short period of time, maybe with 2, maybe 3 seconds refractory period between. Yeah. So if I had to pick between those, I'm going to go for the sneezing because it's not every minute of every day. But when it happens, it happens.
Yeah. TP Seeker says the Dutch ovens could get interesting. If you were with someone kissing, be out of the question? Don't understand.
I think they're talking about the sneezing.
You'd sneeze on them. So, 2 sneezes, 2 farts. Gas. Sammy?
And we'll just assume that Sammy's going to do the farting because he's never here.
Yeah.
Ricardo says the farts could be particularly useful on long queues.
I mean,
You
they are.
smell the
hands are
corona?
long.
Yeah, the farting.
The farting.
Although the farting is very good for discouraging crowded elevators.
Exactly, and apparently queues as well.
I don't know. I don't think it is good for discouraging crowded elevators. I think people need to know in advance that you're going in there and that you're going to do it for it to be discouraging. It's just torturous to the people that are in there.
I mean,
Well,
after a
you
while,
fart
people
before
will
the
start
door
talking.
closes so somebody can go, whoa, and get out, and then they'll all run.
Yes, and also sooner or later people are going to talk if you do that in an office building. So
I just go in random office buildings.
I know, right? I would have fun with that at my work, obviously, because that would be great. Like the person that hates me just walk by her desk.
Right.
Oh God.
It's just... If you enjoyed that, please hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down. If you think you've got a better answer or just want to tell us how wrong we are, leave a comment down below. Subscribe down here for new questions every day and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss out on our live shows. If you click over here, you'll see our latest upload. Over here, for what YouTube thinks you'll love the most. And finally, for a complete playlist of all our currently released questions, click here.